Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. Just want to show you, this is a 911 SC 3-litre flat 6, and customer came in and the problem was that they cannot select gears properly. If you go to one, sometimes it goes in reverse or different gears, or nothing happened at all. It feels like really loose, like that. See that? Very loose. And I've taken the cover off there, the back here, and then have a look. Let's have a look at the actual coupler, so you can see exactly what's happening. And let's have a look at that. Look at that coupler. Look at that. There's no more bushing there. It's all the rubber bushing is gone, finished. There's nothing left. Pretty much over. So what we're doing now is we're going to fix it by putting a direct coupler on it, a more direct shift coupler, better than the factory one, if you ask me. Factory one was good for back then, but now we have a better technology of today, so there's a better coupler. This is a coupler there that sits between the gearbox shaft and the selector shaft from the gear stick, this one here. So there's no bushing left there. It's just flopping around, see that? This is the worst one I've seen. So now I'm going to remove all the shaft, remove the coupler, and put the new little Stormski racing coupler. I always use the Stormski one because it's really direct and there's no play at all. So I'll do another video, and then once I finish that, I'll do part 2. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.